Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing the recovery key and a recovery USB. Do this now. You need the 48-digit BitLocker key or the file where you saved it. Once found, plug in a Windows recovery USB and boot to it. From the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. Make sure to select Command Prompt when prompted. This gives you direct access to run repair commands and inspect the encrypted drive. Keep the key handy. You will be asked to unlock the volume before repairing. Once in Command Prompt, check the encryption with Manage BDE status to confirm which letter is the BitLocker volume. If it's locked, unlock it with Manage BDE Unlock X, recovery password followed by your 48-digit key. Replace X with the volume letter. After unlocking, run chkdskx /F to fix file system errors that cause blue screens. Then run sfc/scanno/offbootdir equals x//offwindir equals x/Windows if system files are damaged. These steps repair corruption while preserving BitLocker metadata. After repairs, reboot into normal mode to test boot. If it starts, remove the USB and confirm Windows requests the expected PIN or key. If boot fails, rebuild boot files with bcdboot x/Windows and then retry. If BitLocker itself shows errors, suspend protection temporarily using Manage BDE Protectors Disable C. Then resume after fixes with Protectors Enable. One key troubleshooting tip. If you still hit a blue screen, capture the stop code and check for driver mismatch. Roll back or update storage/controller drivers before re-enabling BitLocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.